today I'm going to make a vegetarian ramen.
Ramen is one of the most popular fast food in Japan. Most ramen shop uses animal products, which makes it difficult for vegan to eat. So today I'd like to introduce how to make a vegan ramen so the vegans also can try. Now add 2 tablespoons of miso paste. I personally recommend to use 2 types of miso, so 1 tablespoon for each kind. I'm adding a slice of dried kelp and a slice of dried shiitake for dashi.
Today I'm going to use this ramen soy 100% noodles. So it's totally gluten free and it's vegetarian noodles. I made a vegetable vegan ramen. This is very